Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be doing some AI video generation. We're going to be jumping into the world of Higgsfield Cinema Studio, and we're going to be doing some cool things, including a channel introduction for this channel. Let's see how good we can make it, as well as a little Hollywood-esque kind of like movie. Let's see how easy it is to do it. So they got this tool called Cinema Studio, and they've upgraded it to Cinema Studio 2.0. They're giving me access to it, so I can show you guys how it works. And it's cool. You can make images, you make videos. I'm going to show you videos straight away because look, they got this feature called single shot, multi-shot auto, or multi-shot manual. Now check this out. And I'm going to click on multi-shot manual, and you get a timeline of all the different scenes you want to include in your up to 12-second video. So you can just define the actions. So you've got different movements, handheld, zoom out, sweep down. You've got all these different kind of like movements you can put into the scene, and you've got different styles. So you can make it a comedy, a western, suspense, and an action. I'm going to go for action here because you kind of gotta. So let's just see as a baseline how good this is. I'm going to set it up to multi-shot auto, and I'm going to say channel introduction video with lots of special effects, explosions, and cool happenings for X-Create. Let's see if it actually figures that out, and showcasing the latest in AI technology. So yeah, a 1080p, I'm going to go for 12 seconds worth. It's going to use up 24 credits. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a batch size of 2 because I want 2 options for my video so we can have a little comparison. Sometimes when you make a video using AI, it comes out a bit, a bit dodgy. So having multiple options is a good idea. So that is now in the works. Now we're going to try making a little movie. Previously, we made this kind of crab flying into space.
我的征途是星辰大海。
So we're going to continue that film on and see if we can make it spectacular. Now, obviously, my brain isn't made for this stuff, so I'm going to jump into the world of inference over here. And I'm going to be using GLM5, a new state-of-the-art open weight model. And I've got, look, write me 3 prompts to make a comedy space movie about a crab. And it's making it for me. I'm excited about this. So I'm also going to jump into X-Create here. And this is kind of like some reference on. This was the ending of our last video generation we made. So I'm going to just download that again. So I'm going to add, so I'm going to select input. You can add character and props. I'm going to click upload image because I just have one. And I'm uploading the crab that we just made that's going to start flying in space. I'm not adding it as a start frame because I want it to just make up its own start frame, but it knows that the crab is going to be key detail to my scenes. So let's jump in and see what GLM has made. Look at that, it's made some prompts for me. I'm not even going to read the prompts. I want to know what it makes. So I'm going to make only one batch side. I've got audio enabled. I'm going to change the scenery up now to comedy because I want to see what's going to happen. It's when hilarity is meant to ensue and just generating. It's all pure comedy over here. Everything is generating. And while that's generating, we can see we've actually got the 2 batches for our channel introduction has been made. So let's jump in and see what that looks like. The cloud can't handle our processing. Last text AI technology. Okay, it's a start. I guess we can workshop that, make some, maybe I want to add in some sort of person of interest. Oh, that's a good idea. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the video edit feature. So this is the reference video here. I can add in a character. So boom, we got to add in the flying crab. Quality 1080p, of course. Create. And let's just see what happens there. We've added the crab to our X-Create channel intro, and it's all being made right now. So you got create video, you got edit video, you got motion control, you got pretty much too much settings to play with. And this is all in Higgsfield. And if you are looking for inspiration, you can always go through their gallery over here and you can click on anything really, like just say her. This example is of a train in the background. So you can put your character there and put some trains in the background there. It's all coming to life. It's all gone crazy now. It's all gone crazy. And you can see here that for making 1080p videos, it was 24 credits for a generation. If we look at their pricing, you can have like a basic plan where you pay per credit, or you can have a pro plan, which gives you 600 credits per month. That's the pro plan, or you can get the ultimate plan or the creator plan. Ooh, we got to put a voice for that one. Or 6,000 credits. All right, so as you can see, all three of my images have been made. I'm just looking at it right now. Maybe I did it a bit of a disservice by using that same scene as an introduction because it seems to always have the Earth in the background. We haven't actually gone to the moon, but I'm going to compile it all together and let's just see what kind of story we make.
我的征途是星辰大海。
OpenClaw. Okay, that was all right. So yeah, we kind of made something there. So we use the power of AI to make AI videos and just AI it all about. I'm going to do something special now. I'm going to say a classic Western with love, romance, and gunslinging. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to make it a Western. Let's just go for that. I'm going to do 2 batch sizes there. The rest one, I'm just going to let decide what it wants to do and let's just make this happening. Now my prompts are just super tiny. Maybe I could have embellished on it a bit. You know, maybe I'll just jump in. Let's get GLM to the rescue. My brain is no longer required. I'm going to say the same thing. Turn this into 3 prompts. So boom, it turned my basic prompt into something cinematic. So we got classic wide shot, golden hour, medium shot. And just like that, our Western is finished. Let's see what it looks like. Bit dramatic. What's that guy, a man horse? He's a man horse. He's a centaur. I like it. It's very spectacular. I guess the next thing is to thread that needle with the extra controls, maybe use the character references, you got the director panel, all that kind of stuff. But I think I've used up enough credits for this demonstration. But you see, it is getting good, this stuff. So check it out and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of how good GLM was at writing these little prompts. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.